back with us again, my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, who we love.
We do. They have integrity, they do quality work, and if you're looking to buy or sell your home, you might want to look on their website because they have a terrific website,
They
especially
really
if
do.
you're looking for a home. You can see all sorts of price ranges in different areas, but you've got one of their homes to tell us about now, don't you?
I do. There's one in Cave Creek, and it's a gated community, and it's got the panorama views of the mountain peaks. It's beautiful. It's 3 beds, 3 bath, and it's just over 2,200 square feet. It's got in the kitchen, oh my gosh, the granite island kitchen features a sunlit eat-in space with the stainless appliances, which I love. They have the master suite, has dual sinks, the oval soak tub, walk-in closet, and they have a balcony that actually spans the width of the house.
Oh, that sounds terrific.
I know, especially with those mountain views, it
right.
is perfect. They have the hardwood plantation shutters, the dual-pane windows. They have a large open loft. And then in the back, they've got the covered patio. And then they've got the backyard that has the viewing fence, which is even better. And they have a recently seeded lush green the grass, so the lawn is beautiful. And it's close to the trails for the active outdoor living. And all of this for $399,900.
Wow, that sounds like a good price for
yeah,
that.
it's like a steal there. So people definitely need to be checking this one out.
They should. If they can't find that, they can find something else on those Callaways website.
Very true.